Hi, I am Ali Mohammad Bhatt, lecturer zoology, Boys Higher Secondary School, Ashpura, Ghaziabad, Kupwara. I am also teaching zoology at BHS Ashpura, Ghaziabad, Kupwara to class 11th and 12th since almost 1 year with proper pedagogical approach and dedication. The various pedagogical approach I have given below. Before that, I will have a small eye on the zoology subject. Zoology is one of the beautiful branch of biological science with tremendous diversity, scientific knowledge, and is relevant to topics including medicine, genetics, ecology, and public policy, and also economic zoology. As such, it has the potential to interest almost any student with any discipline. The various methods I usually use while teaching zoology in classroom encounters are as follows: incorporate experiential learning. We can say hands-on activities. To make zoology interesting to students, students will likely stick with the subject. There are many ways to make zoology more interactive when taught. So you can try different approaches and see what works. Student could do things like raise butterflies or other animals to learn about their life cycle, dissect specimen to learn about anatomy, test samples of store-bought yeast to see whether or not they are alive, look at slides of various kinds of cells, specimens, and also we can have a proper knowledge of that. In, for example, in Kashmir, everyone says there is lion, there is tiger, and but in actual practice there is no lion, there is no tiger. In Kashmir we have all only these leopards, common leopard or snow leopard, but we usually talk about these lions. In same way, we have serpents here. We have Levantine viper, we have Himalayan viper that is a poisonous. But there are other snakes, but they are not poisonous. But we call any snake as poisonous, and when we hear the word snake, there is something fear in us. We can say that it's a snake and it will bite, but in actual it is a beautiful creature, and it cannot harm anyone. It is shy, and it mostly avoids when it sees an human body. The approach I use, I that means we have to be experiential knowledge while we teaching zoology. The second is the create multimedia material. This is a new, and this is a new thing that have developed in recent years. Introducing more variety in your instruction materials is a great way to make a zoology for class 11th and 12th more interesting. You can use textbooks, videos, podcasts, ICT labs, other forms of media to present topics. We can use our mobile phone, the various applications like YouTube and other applications while teaching these some important topics of the zoology. Ways to bridge technology, other biological science with zoology. There are so many other subjects like botany, biochemistry, biotechnology. We can make a bridge with zoology. There are a lot of opportunities for those interested in zoology to deepen their involvement with technology, be upon to the new and exciting methods of instructional, and invite your students to share the technology concepts and tools that interest them. For example, there are valuable resources devoted to using in popular game Minecraft in educational contexts, including zoology topics. Allow students to utilize technology for assignments in your course. Utilize science games to teach zoology. It is another pedagogical approach. While we can use science games to teach zoology, games have a way of introducing fun, new activities into the classroom. Spicing up your zoology topics with friendly competition can also be beneficial by adding incentives for participation. I have compiled some helpful resources on developing zoology centered games that will keep students engaged and motivated. Host zoology centered field trips. An occasional trip outside of your classroom can be a welcome change of pace and a real opportunity to enrich students' understanding of zoology. We can make possible to arrange a visit to a place like a local science museum, college museum, or university museum, a national park, sanctuary, a zoo, a farm. Besides above pedagogical approach that I usually use in classroom teaching encounter, I am also arranged some extra efforts in the shape of following, like cooperative learning. Students help each other learn about a topic, concept mapping, discussion, extensive lab work, hands-on activities. uh, Thank you.